Hi everybody, today we're going to make this bag which is called ContourRND, and it's really quick and easy project. I believe even a beginner can make it in one day. Let's get started. So I decided to start with a small stuff here. First I'm making the D-ring holder. Just one short seam. Then there's closure strap keeper. Make sure that it's the right length for your leather thickness. Well, it should wrap 2 layers of your closure strap really tightly. Now moving on to sewing the pocket. There is nothing really tricky here. Just note that there's one more hole on each end of that stitch line on the body panel, because the first and the last holes, they just hold in the edge of the pocket, and you just stitch that. Now, as I made my gusset out of vegetable tan leather, so I need to burnish the edges. I recommend that you kind of make them nice as well. If it's a chrome tan, maybe some edge paint. I don't use edge paint myself because it doesn't last long, but in this particular bag is going to look nice if the gusset has some nice finished edge. Now I decided to stitch the closure strap onto the back panel before I stitch the whole body together, but it's probably not the best idea because this way is going to be in the way when I'm going to be stitching the panel, the back panel to the gusset. So probably you're going to be better off if you assemble the whole bag and then as a last step you do this. Now stitching the front panel to the gusset. It's actually the same thing as on the pocket. So the gusset has one more hole on each end of the stitch lines. So the last stitch and the first one, they keep the edge of each panel. And this is how you stitch the front panel. And I didn't record the stitching of the back panel, but it's done exactly the same way. Now don't forget to insert the D-ring holder on the bottom when stitching the front panel to the gusset. Actually, it's better if you skive that one. Depends on the thickness of the leather you're using. I didn't skive this one, and then I thought, well, I should have. Well, this is how you assemble the closure. You just put the keeper on it, then put your swivel hook and pull the end through the keeper. And finally, setting the rivets on the shoulder strap. Actually, you can do whatever you want with the shoulder strap. You can adjust the length, you can make it adjustable either with buckle or with a button stud, any way you like. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful for you. So I'll see you next time.